This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to introduce my proxy checker tool. It's much faster, more powerful, and more advanced than before. In one of my previous videos, I showed that most online proxy checker websites are not accurate and often give fake results. So without wasting any more time, open your browser, visit my channel, and click the link in my bio. There you'll find the TerraBox link. Simply click on it to get started. Okay, now click on Tool Market, then click on Windows Software. There you will find Ghost Proxy Checker. Simply choose the folder where you want to save it, or click Save to TerraBox, then click Go to Cloud. Now you're inside your TerraBox cloud storage. Select the file by clicking the checkbox, then click Download. I'll pause the video until the download is complete. If your browser displays a warning, press Ctrl+J to open the Downloads page. Click the three-dot menu beside the file and choose Download Dangerous File once the download finishes. Return to your desktop and extract the zip archive. Open the folder and launch the tool. If Windows Security or a similar prompt appears, click More Info, then select *Run anyway. If the window only shows a Run button, simply click Run to start the application. Now you can see the clean and user-friendly interface. The tool includes import file, paste proxies, start, stop, export, clear, and settings buttons for quick access. In the settings section, you can customize the target domain, thread count, timeout, and other advanced options. Next, click on the About section. Here you'll find my social profile links, complete information about the tool, the supported proxy types, available features, and other important details. Now let's import our proxy list and click Start. As the scan begins, the dashboard will update in real time, showing the total loaded proxies, live proxies, dead proxies, processed proxies, and the elapsed time. Let's wait for the scan to complete and review the results. The proxy scan is now complete. As you can see, we found 45 live proxies and 29 dead proxies. Now click on Export Live. Next, select the location where you want to save the file. I'll choose my desktop. The tool will ask which proxy type you want to save, so simply choose the one you need. Now clear the current list and return to your desktop. Open the exported live proxy file and copy all the proxies. Next, open the tool, click Paste Proxies, and paste the proxy list into the input box. Click Start to begin another scan. I'll speed up the video while the scan runs, and then we'll review the results together. As you can see, the results speak for themselves. I hope you enjoyed this video and found my proxy checker tool useful. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. Unfortunately, I lost my previous YouTube channel, so your support on this new channel means a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with more exciting tools and helpful content. Take care.